Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about the topic sets. And if you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. So, what is a set? A set is a well defined collection of distinct objects. So, what does the term well defined mean? It means that we have a set criteria of what defines whether an element belongs to a set or does not belong to a set. And the second important thing to note over here is it's a collection of distinct objects, which means that we won't have any repetitions or duplicate values in our set. So an example of a set could be all the letters in the English alphabet. So if we write down all the letters A to Z, then those would be considered as a set. Let's look at a couple more terms. So each object is called an element or a member of a set, and so each individual element would be defined, and let's look at the symbol that defines whether an element belongs to that set or not. So this symbol is called the belong symbol, and it means that it's an element a part of that set or is in that set. And the second symbol we'll be learning today is the symbol does not belong, and this symbol basically means that that element is not an element of or is not in this set. So I hope everyone understood the definition of set and what belongs and does not belong to. Next, we will look at a couple of examples. So my first example is P is a set defined as all the prime numbers that are less than 10. So if I have to write down all the elements of the set P, and note that the set is always denoted by the capital letter P, and if we have to represent an element, it will always be the smaller case or the lower case. Now, so P is going to be equal to what are all the prime numbers less than 10? So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, right? So all these are our prime numbers less than 10, and this becomes our set. Let's look at another question. So let P be a set of letters in the word amateur. So what is the elements of P? So P is going to be equal to, now let's make sure that we don't repeat any of the letters. So we have A, M, A cannot repeat because we know that a set has only distinct letters. So we will have T, E, U, and R. So this is P, and the Q set is the set of letters in the word team. So in team, we don't have any letters which repeat in the word. So we can just write them individually as TEAM. Now, the next part of the question is find N of P and N of Q. So what does this denote? So this denotes the number of elements in the set P and number of elements in set Q. So in our set P, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 elements. So N of P is going to be equal to 6. And number of elements in set Q is 4, right? So N of Q will be 4. So this is the A part, this is the B part. Let's move on to the C part of the question. So here we need to decide whether a certain letter is belonging to the set or not set. So the first part of this is U belongs to Q. So does the letter U belong to our set Q? No, it does not. So this statement U belongs to Q is going to be a false statement. What about the second part? So the second part is R belongs to, R does not belong to Q. So R is not a part of our set. Therefore, this would be a true statement. So the next two parts are about subsets, which I will be doing in my subsequent video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.